3 factors to consider before taking a trade. This video will help you to be able to know at least what are some of the things that I will be considering every time before I take my trade. So I will do these 3 factors here so that I can just mention them. And then once now you have gotten it, you will know, you will be able, like, it will go back to your mind and you will try to follow the 3 factors. So the first factor is the main trend. I have seen majority of traders, they will always trade on the short-term trend. The market may be a long-term buy, but people are trading retracement. So you don't want to be found trading the short-term trend. You want to be found trading the long-term trend. So I want you to, before you take a trade, factor in the long-term trend, because there's a trade we entered, I think it was last week or 2 weeks ago, and we were consistently struggling to buy that market. And then when the market didn't buy and it stayed for 1 week on drawdown, I went on the monthly time frame and I found that this market was a long-term sell. So that is something that I would have considered. Even if daily was giving me a buy, I would have considered not to take a buy, because according to long-term trend, I will show you what I mean. So consider the main trend of that market, okay? The next thing is the news. Guys, if you don't consider the factor of news, and there are 2 major news that I want you to always consider. We have CPI. We have CPI on USD, GBP, JPY. It's like we have CPI on all the pairs. So CPI is one thing that you need to consider, and NFP. So NFP. So these are the major news that you have to consider. And the beginning of the month, the first 2-3 weeks, every week we have CPI on GBP, and I will even show you on the Forex Factory about the news. That one I will show you, okay? And then the next thing that you need to consider is market that is ranging. We want to consider not to pay attention on ranging market. I have seen sometimes I'm trading a market on 4-hour, but on weekly the market is ranging. It doesn't want to move. And that is the annoying market to ever even be. So yes, 4-hour is breaking resistance. Yes, 4-hour is movement, but when you zoom out and you go to higher time frame, the market is ranging. So those are the 3 things to consider. So I want to go step by step. I want to at least to highlight each and every one, so that we can be able to know how to go about it. So I will give you, and then I will give you the main trend, and then I show you how people trade without considering the factors. So let's say this is GBP, JPY, this is 4-hour. So if you look at this chart, if you open your chart and you are trading GBP, JPY, majority of people, they will trade this market as an uptrend. So for them, that's what they are seeing. The market is on an uptrend. And even if you look at that trend line, the market has touched this trend line, making it either it's reversing or whatever you want to say, but this market is on an uptrend. So whatever many people will do, they know it's an uptrend, but they don't care to know the main trend. Imagine if you don't care to know the main trend. Yes, it's an uptrend, we are not refusing. But have you even done your due diligence to know, yes, GBP JPY is a buy on 4-hour, but is it a buy on other time frame? So what you start, let's say in this case, you want to trade the break and retest strategy. So you'll come here and say, because I have resistance here, sometimes we trade, and you have to go through this so that you can know how important it is. Some people will never know what I say it is important until they try to trade and they start losing money. That's when they, oh, but then she said something like that. So you have your current resistance like this and my current support. So if this is how you are trading, so you have your current resistance and we have our current support there. So this is our support. So Someone will be trading support, break and retest strategy where they wait the market either to break above or break below. So you're either waiting market to break above or break below. And you have not considered the main chart. Or you can even be trading anything. Like you can be trading, people trade different things. And yeah, so as you wait, let's see what happens. So as we are waiting, the market have broken this resistance and you're so happy, break of resistance, breaking, so we call it BOR, break of resistance has happened, and now you are waiting for the market to retest so that you can attempt to get in. So once people see this candle, the market breaking like that, and it is retesting, they will also put a line there so that either it can retest, or if it continue going up, they enter with the move. So it's either it retest or they even go to lower time frame to look for maybe bullish engulf or no other things. And I'm just showing you the dangers of not understanding the main trend. So either this person will enter a buy because now they have seen a bullish engulf after breaking, and they will enter their buy, and they don't know how far they will be targeting. They can enter their buy and say, we will target to the next resistance. You can see this is the next resistance. I will be targeting here. People have crazy targets. They have crazy targets. So, or someone has entered and they don't know even where they are targeting. So by the time you are entering that market, and you can see now the market came retested, but it retested with a green candle. And now you are so sure that the market now it's buying. Buyers now have agreed, and this is your trade. Notice, once you have entered, you have only gotten 25 pips. So because you are over targeting, I don't know, 100 pips, 50 pips, and you're like that, the next candle, the market sells on you. And this is not 10 pips. This is, the market had given you 79 pips as it was going, and it gives you 410. And the worst thing, after you are given 410, the worst thing is that the market continue to sell. That is the worst thing. Even after the market is here, it continue to sell. So the question is, how would we have avoided by considering the fact of main trend? You are seeing the market is on an uptrend, but let's go on the daily, guys. If I take you on the daily, you will notice that this market was not uptrend. This market has been going down. This is the main trend. You see what I'm saying? This is the main trend. So what is happening here? The market is coming to retest. So the market is just coming to retest where it broke last. So when you are just on 4 hours thinking I will get a buy entry, the market wants to just activate. You can see it got rejected because this is how break and retest happen. And after that, the market, let's see where it is right now. So that's where the market is. It's now ranging at that area. Okay, so that is something that people don't consider. And I want you to start considering from today, the main trend. Don't be lied when you go on 4 hour and you just see the market going up. Just look at the daily, look at the weekly, just know at the what is the long trend of the market. The other one I have told you is the news. I remember we were trading, there's a day we were trading gold and we had CPI news, and I want to show you when you don't consider CPI, this is what happens. So let's say this is you, you open your chart and you don't know that we have CPI. This is what exactly happens when you are ignorant. So you open your trade and you don't want to consider if we have CPI or not. So you have gone on the daily and you have seen the market has broken that ranging. And in your mind, you're thinking, because this ranging was a long, it took time, the market will come that distance. Sometimes it may work, but when there is news, just avoid. That is a key factor to avoid. So someone will see the market has been ranging for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The market has been ranging for so long. And then when it is broken, many people will come and do a buy order. So majority here will come and do buy order, buy limit. So they will place their buy limit, which is wrong because you have to consider. So that day we had news on USD, we had CPI. So if you consider the news, you not have put your buy order because you don't know what the news will do. Others would buy, others will go to lower time frame. But what happened, once you bought, that was the candle activated by the news. Even if we go to 4 hour and see how the market went down, you can see after the news was announced around I don't know if it was 12 or something, you can see the whole day the market dropped. The whole day the market kept dropping, and it was a result of CPI. So that is another factor that you should understand. So the market went 873 pips, guys. Why would you not consider the factor of CPI and at least avoid the market? And the last one is the ranging. I remember we were trading GBP Audi and we could not understand why this market was just this. It was a stubborn trade. Anytime you enter anytime you enter, you try to trade GBP Audi, it was ranging. And let me show you what I mean. So I attempted to trade GBP Audi some time back in the beginning of the year. So we were on 4 hour. And we were attempting to trade GBP Audi, but it was so difficult. So whenever the market would break, let's say here the market has broke, it comes back. So it was so difficult to trade GBP Audi on 4 hour. You can see how the market is moving until I went on the weekly and I saw what was happening. When I went on weekly, I saw this market ranging. Like you can imagine you are attempting to trade a market that is ranging like this. If you do a mistake, the market will sell and you'll be left there. So this one, anyone who was buying, let's say you come on 4 hour, and because you're on 4 hour, you say, now I will be buying because the market has broken. This is just a retracement. So I will be buying. Anyone who bought, the market now decided to sell and break that box, you see? So when you come to weekly, don't trade pairs that are ranging. And I can even check for you the current market. Let's check the current market, like GBP CHF. We will even do monthly and see pairs that have been ranging. So these are current market. I just want to give you an example with the current market. So do I have a current market that is ranging? So like Euro and ZD, but this one is not as much as ranging. Do I have? Tell me I don't have a ranging market. Let's see, ODCHF, trying to show you anytime you have a ranging market, how it looks like. CAD JPY, CHF JPY. So Euro Audi, I think we can say Euro Audi. If you see Euro Audi, this market has been ranging for quite some time. And this is monthly. So of course, if you're trading Euro Audi, they don't know if they want to buy or to sell. So sometimes you will find difficult when you're trading these pairs. And the reason why you're finding it difficult is because on the higher time frame, they are ranging. So the recap is always check the key factor to check is the main trend. The news are important, and also don't trade on lower time frame market that are ranging from a higher time frame. So you are on 4 hour, you're trying to trade but on monthly, the market is ranging. That one, avoid it, okay? Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I love you so much. See you in the next one. Bye.